Hello?
Hi. Hi.
I'm gonna YouTube you YouTubing.
What?
So I'm gonna YouTube you YouTubing.
I've got a flashlight.
So what we got here, gang?
These doors automatically come unlocked when you pull on them. So you just leave them unlocked now.
A rooster with the duck. Horns left, scratches, or layers right.
So corn first.
Yeah.
I'm having.
Come on. Before you drive in the pond. Did the bug bite you? Here, the front one will bite. Did that bug bite you?
Brooklyn, can you throw some over here? Thank you. Give me more. Let me get some.
Let me get some. This one of those guys go.
Oh!
What was that?
Come on, baby. You walk in the window.
Yeah, I locked them.
Brooklyn, look, I caught fish. It jumped in. It jumped in. Do you guys have the food? I can get some fish over here. Can we get fish over here?
The door's open from the outside. Oh, you need shakes?
Not yet. I caught one. Oh, it jumped off.
It bit me, it hurt. Where's the fish food?
No.
When you first feed them, if you feed them over here, look over that area.
God dang, they ate that blueberry yet. The blackberry yet.
Here it goes.
What's your ankle? What's your ankle here, boss? Seems like a boring video.
Should dig some potatoes tonight.
Not dead yet. Alright, Dad. Let me show you the zucchini I found. It's anonymous. Hey, Brooklyn. You gonna come here? Come on. Recording you, record me, recording me. I found it all. Where's it going?
Picked it.
No.
How we picked it?
Can you go inside and get Brooklyn some food on it?
Tomorrow.
She's gonna knock us out and bring it out.
Oh, I found one. Are we still doing, what are we doing? Cucumbers, what are we doing?
Pick whatever you find.
What?
Pick whatever you find.
Alright.
Not if they're too small though. That's what little baby tiny. What are you doing there?
You some cookies in? Or shut? What? What do you got? Raise up one of raise up the small. This? On the bottom. Oh, I thought you said top.
No, they're down. They're down.
Knees on you.
good ones, huh? You drop your cucumber? Haley, we need you to help pick beans on there. You have the keys up here so you don't take off on it. Work.
I'm watching the video. You're watching it. I'm watching it. It's right there. Right there. Yeah, she's walking on plants.
Look, you try to tell me how you gonna walk down through
You're not.
there.
Unless you want to kill all the plants.
Busy bees. He's busted that.
Did I bust it? Or just a little? Supposed to catch it.
You got a basket with it.
That should be